Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to be with you today.
Charlotte, how are you feeling today?
I am great, Leo, but I have a question for you. Do you like talking on the telephone in English?
Oh, wow. The telephone? Honestly, no. It is scary
Why is it scary?
because I cannot see the person. When I speak face to face, I use my hands, I look at their face, but on the phone, I am blind.
Exactly. A lot of our listeners feel the same way. Talking on the phone is like driving in a fog. You cannot see clearly.
That is a great comparison. Driving in a fog. So, what do? Do we stop driving?
No, we need fog lights. We need special tools.
And that is our episode today. Your first phone call in English.
We will give you a survival kit, simple phrases to answer the phone, ask for people, and, very important, what to do if you don't understand. By the end of this episode, you will be ready to pick up the phone and speak. Let's unlock your English.
Okay, Charlotte. Let's start with the basics. My phone rings. Ring, ring. I answer. What do I say?
Well, Leo, what do you usually say?
I say, hello, I am Leo.
Stop. That is mistake number 1.
Really? I am Leo is wrong?
It is correct grammar, but on the phone, it sounds strange. Native speakers do not say, I am. We use a special phrase.
Okay, tell us. What is the first key vocabulary phrase?
Word 1. This is name. The phrase is this is.
This is.
On the phone, we introduce ourselves with this is, not I am.
So I say, hello, this is Leo.
Perfect. It sounds professional and natural. Example 1. Hi, this is Charlotte. Example 2. Good morning. This is your teacher.
Listeners, this is your first tool. Repeat after us. Hello, this is Leo.
One more time. Hi, this is your name. Word 2. May I speak with? The phrase is, may I speak with?
May I speak with?
May is a magic word. It makes everything soft and polite.
I see. Instead of I want, we use may I speak with. Can you give us examples?
Sure. Example 1. Hello, may I speak with Jack, please? Example 2. May I speak with the manager, please?
That sounds much better. Listeners, try to be polite with us. May I speak with Jack?
Very good. And don't forget the word please at the end. May I speak with the manager, please?
Okay, so I call. Hello, this is Leo. May I speak with Jack?
Perfect. But what if Jack is busy? What if he needs 1 minute to come to the phone?
I wait.
Yes, but in English, we use a phrasal verb for wait on the phone.
Word 3. Hold on.
The phrase is hold on.
Hold on.
This means to wait for a short time. Imagine you are holding the telephone line with your hand.
Exactly. You will hear this often. Example 1. Please hold on a second. Example 2. Can you hold on? Let me check.
Listeners, imagine you are busy. Tell me to wait. Please hold on.
Great. Can you hold on?
Okay, Charlotte, I am holding on. But, oh no, Jock is not home. He cannot talk.
In that case, you need to end the call, but promise to phone again later. We use another phrasal verb. Call back.
The phrase is call back.
Call back.
This simply means to return the phone call.
Simple examples? Example 1. I will call back later. Example 2. Please tell him to call back.
Listeners, repeat this promise. I will call back.
Now, let's talk about panic. Charlotte, sometimes I call and the signal is terrible. It sounds like a robot.
Leo? Leo, I can't hear you.
Yes, this is a nightmare for students. They think their English is bad.
But usually it is just the technology. We have a phrase for this technical problem.
Word 5. Breaking up.
The phrase is breaking up.
Breaking up.
Listeners, this does not mean ending a romance. On the phone, it means the voice is cutting out. The signal is bad.
This phrase is your lifesaver. If you are nervous, you can say this. It gives you time. Example 1. Sorry, you are breaking up. Example 2. I cannot hear you. You are breaking up.
Listeners, practice this excuse. It is very useful. Sorry, you are breaking up. One more time. You are breaking up.
Okay, the signal is fixed. But Charlotte, sometimes the person speaks too fast. Blah, 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 blah. I don't understand.
Don't panic. You have control. You can ask them to change speed.
Word 6. Speak slowly.
The phrase is speak slowly.
Specifically, could you speak slowly, please?
Listeners, never say I don't understand. That stops the conversation. Give them a solution. Ask for slow English.
Example 1. Please, speak slowly. Example 2. Sorry, could you speak slowly?
It is polite and effective. Listeners, repeat. Could you speak slowly?
Okay, Charlotte, we have our vocabulary. Now, let's play a game.
Let's play the vanishing call.
We will act out a short conversation. First, we read it normally. Listen carefully.
Hello.
Hello, this is Leo. May I speak with Tom?
Oh, please, hold on.
Thanks.
Sorry, he is busy. Can you call back?
Okay, bye. Okay, listeners, did you hear the key words? Now, we will do it again, but this time, I will not say the key words.
You have to say them. Fill in the blank. Ready?
Let's go.
Hello.
Hello, this is Leo.
This is.
May I speak with Tom?
May I? Oh, please. Hold on.
Hold.
Sorry, he is busy. Can you call back?
Call. Did you get them all?
I am sure they did. Good job, everyone.
Wow, we learned a lot today. Talking on the phone is not so scary now.
Let's look at our survival kit one more time.
Here is the summary. To say who you are, this is plus name. To ask for a person, may I speak with? To say wait, hold on. To call again later, call back. If the signal is bad, you are breaking up. If they are too fast, please speak slowly.
With these 6 phrases, you can handle your first call.
Charlotte, do we have a motivational quote for this episode?
Yes, this quote is about being brave. The quote is, "Communication is the key, but courage opens the door."
I like that. Courage opens the door.
It means you can learn English, the key, but you need to be brave, courage, to push the button and call.
Be brave, listeners. Make a call today. Order a pizza. Call a hotel. Practice.
You can do it. Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Subscribe to the podcast and see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.